A well-planned day trip can feel like a mini vacation, offering just the right mix of adventure and relaxation. But without a clear plan, it can easily turn into a chaotic rush. Whether you're exploring a neighboring city or heading into nature, mastering the art of planning a seamless day trip ensures you'll make the most of every moment. Set a clear destination and goal. Choose a destination within a 2-hour travel radius to maximize your time at the location. Be specific about what you want from the trip: sightseeing, relaxation, or a food tour. This will guide your itinerary and help you avoid wasting time. Map out your itinerary. Research the main attractions or activities you want to experience. Create a loose schedule that balances planned stops with downtime for flexibility. Identify key landmarks, dining spots, or scenic areas, and prioritize them. Check travel logistics. Plan your transportation. If you're driving, ensure your car is fueled and ready. If you're using public transit, note the schedules and travel times. A backup plan, such as an alternative route, can save the day if unexpected delays occur. Pack smartly. Carry essentials like snacks, water, a power bank, and weather-appropriate clothing. Pack lightweight, comfortable gear if your destination involves hiking or physical activity. A well-prepared bag ensures you won't waste time hunting for items once you're on the move. Budget and reserve ahead. Allocate a budget for food, tickets, and any extras. Make reservations for restaurants, tours, or attractions that require pre-booking to avoid disappointments. Keep an eye on time. Start early to make the most of your day and avoid peak traffic. Set reminders for key time points, such as returning home or transitioning between activities. With a clear plan and thoughtful preparation, your day trip will be smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free. Every detail you organize in advance allows you to immerse yourself fully in the adventure, leaving you refreshed and inspired for the days ahead.